This video is about the homework question 7.7, number 7. It gives us a complex fraction, that's a fraction that has a fraction in it, and asks us to simplify. Now, what you should do when you look at this is you should use the fact that some parts of this look bad. If you have this intuition that this x is obnoxious, that somehow the thing that's complicated and annoying about this fraction is the fact that there's another little divided by x in the middle, that's actually the hard part, that this x is the enemy. Once you identify which part of the fraction you don't like, that tells you what to do, because what you should do is try to fix it. So I will use my overall algebra strategy of using an equal sign to give me an excuse to just copy down the whole problem again. Then I notice that I would like to destroy this x. And to destroy this x, I would like to multiply by x. That's how you destroy a divided by x. So this is what I want to do. I want to multiply by x. I mean, really, I want to multiply by x like in here, but I remember that like to deal with a big fraction, I'll probably be doing something to the numerator and the denominator of the big fraction. So I want to multiply by x. But I can't just randomly multiply by x. If I multiply by x, it's not equal anymore. This is the other use of the equal sign, is it keeps you honest. It doesn't let you just do what you want. It says, okay, do what you want as long as the result is still equal. In this case, to make the result still be equal, I should also divide by x. I should multiply and divide by x. Then what I'm really doing here is multiplying by 1. Multiplying by 1 leaves me with something that's equal. So yeah. So the hard part is identify that the x is the enemy. Decide that to destroy the x, you will multiply by x. Realize that the equal sign forces you to also divide by x. And now you have something to simplify. The x is multiplied by two terms that are added together, so I'll distribute. I'll have x over x plus 3x. In the denominator, I just have 7 times x. What's the point of this? Well, the point of this was that my x that I multiplied by was targeted at my enemy, which was this particular x in the denominator of the numerator. The reason I multiplied by this x was to cancel these. One last thing that can go wrong. When you cancel two numbers by subtracting, like 8 minus 8, you get 0. But when you cancel two numbers by dividing, like 8 divided by 8, 8 divided by 8 is 1. So here, x divided by x should be 1. I don't see any other simplification to be done. The numerator isn't divisible by 7, and the numerator is not divisible by x, so I'm all set. This is my answer. So identify your enemy, figure out a way to destroy that enemy, use an equal sign to keep yourself honest, simplify, and then remember what your goal was while you were doing this. My goal was to attack this x. That should do it.